Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak English on YouTube. I'm Alex, and I'm really happy to see you here today. In this episode, we are going to focus on a very common problem for English learners: how to improve your speaking confidence. Many people know English words. Many people know grammar. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. Maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you know what you want to say, but your voice stops, or your brain goes blank. That is normal. Today, I will help you understand why this happens and give you practical steps to speak English more confidently. Let's start by understanding the problem. Why do people lose confidence? First, fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding wrong. Second, comparing yourself to others. Maybe you hear native speakers speak quickly and you think, I can never be that good. Third, lack of practice in real-life situations. You might know English, but you haven't spoken it enough. Now let's talk about the solution. Confidence is a skill, just like running, swimming, or cooking. You can practice it step by step. And today, I will show you 5 simple ways to start speaking confidently, even if you feel nervous. Tip number 1. Speak every day, even for 1 minute. It doesn't matter if it's short. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Say, hello, my name is Tom. I am learning English. Today is Monday. Repeat it. Repeat it slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Your brain and your mouth will start to get used to speaking English. Tip number 2. Use simple sentences. Many learners try to use long, complicated sentences. Don't do that at first. Simple sentences are powerful. For example, instead of saying, I want to go to the supermarket to buy some fruits and vegetables because I want to cook a healthy meal, you can say, I go to the shop, I buy fruits, I cook dinner. Short sentences make your speaking faster and more confident. If this video is helping you, subscribe to enjoy more videos. Tip number 3. Think in English. Stop translating from your language. When you see a cup, think cup, not the word in your language. When you walk outside, say in your head, I see a car, I see a tree, the sun is shining. This trains your brain to speak English directly. It takes practice, but it works. Tip number 4. Shadowing practice. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately after them. You copy the words, the rhythm, the speed, and the intonation. You can do this with videos, podcasts, or YouTube. At first, it feels difficult. That's normal. Keep going. Even 5 minutes a day is very effective. Tip number 5. Record yourself. Use your phone or computer. Speak about your day, describe your room, talk about what you like. Then listen. You will hear mistakes, yes, but you will also hear your improvement over time. Recording yourself helps you trust your voice. It shows you your progress. Now let's put all tips together in a daily plan. Step 1. Morning practice. When you wake up, spend 1 minute speaking in English. Say simple sentences about your plans. I wake up, I drink water, I go to work. This is a gentle start. Step 2. Daytime practice. Describe what you see during the day. Look around you. I see a man. He is reading a book. A dog is running. No need to speak out loud if you are in public. Thinking is enough. Step 3. Shadowing. Listen to a short audio. Repeat immediately. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. Do this 5 to 10 minutes. This trains your brain to understand and speak English naturally. Step 4. Evening review. Before bed, speak in English about your day. I went to the shop. I cooked dinner. I watched a movie. Small sentences are enough. This helps your brain use English without pressure. Remember, confidence grows slowly. At first, maybe only 10% of your thinking is in English. Then 30%, then 50%, and eventually, you will speak without hesitation. Mistakes are normal. Every mistake is a step forward. And one final tip: celebrate your progress. Even small improvements matter. Did you speak one sentence in English today? That's a victory. Did you repeat a phrase in shadowing? Another victory. Every day counts. So, my friends, start today. Speak a little. Think in English. Repeat after native speakers. Record yourself. And every day your confidence will grow. This was Alex from Speak English on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep speaking. Keep trying. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time.